gentlemen, our candidates for Queen of Minglanilla 2025.
Magmayot, oy! Gikan sa langit, natagak sa yuta. Kung mangutana mo sa nang sa natagak sa yuta, balihong tanawa si Darling Clarissa. Maayong gabi, Minglanilla! This portion is brought to you by Jet Ski. Ding 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 ding. Nothing beats the Jet Ski holiday. Right now, you can save 50 pounds per person. That's saved as a family of four. Ha! Daddy Dusty! Dr. Nick! Anna! Sige! Ha! Daddy Dusty! Ano ba na Anna! This is your Queen candidate number 1, Robert Ayuna, 22, representing from the home of talented people, the great minds, Barangay Dito! Maayong gabi, Minglanilla! Lingon sila. Guwapa o guwapo daw ang mga taga Minglanilla. Pero akong pangutana, ikaw day, Darling Clarissa, taga-asa man ka, bisita ra ba ka? This is Ignif Dimora, 21, representing sa lugar nga adto magtapok ang mga tao nga wala na'y ginahawa, poblasyon Bar 3.
Maayong gabi, Minglanilla. This is a lady in front of you. She is a woman, a superwoman, virgin woman, Virgin Island, Jane Cannon, proud and honored to represent Barangay.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Katikas sa liit, uy! Maayong gabi kanatong tanan! My name is Ashley Bugier, 26, proudly representing kung asa ang daghang abat ug umo, Kamsanan!
Sa latrang ting. Sareng, edna sa oka, uy, balar. Ganahan ba mo mukaon o nilat ang baka? Hala, auuach again. Ganahan ba mo makaon o nilat ang baka ang tubag? Kalma, kasi candidate number 20, Darling Clarissa, mupasyo pa! Maayong gabi, Minglanilla. My name is Ollie Calgarara, 29, representing Barangay Linaw.
I may not have a perfect body, but I endure to my Filipina color with pride and dignity. Maayong gabi, Minglanilla! This is Kiefer Hiralaga, 21, representing Barangay Mandawan!
Handumano. Saksak. Kaan. Aray! Aray! Nako! Kasakit. Kahuot. Ang ang singgit sa napiit na mga lagay sa atong mga kandidata karong gabiun. Oh my God! Nakakaloka! My name is Vera Anyora Veres, 27, ug palihog lang ko sa pagpatugtog sa kantahan. Tayo'y mag-8-8, 8-8, representing 8-8 sa Campo 8.
Huli ka! Kapoy na kaayong paibol sa akong mapa. Many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night of spectacles and public display, we, transgender women, bend history, and that is our story. Good evening, friends, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Queen Sunny Davis, representing Barangay Ward 4. Thank you so much and enjoy watching the show.
Maayong gabi, Minglanilla. This is Rain Texon 22 from... Ay, ata ko nga barangay na yun. Ala, ang OH. Tong tong tong, pakitong kitong, barangay tongko! Kabayo. Naay nagunos! Maayong gabi, Minglanilla! Akala nyo si Lislino. Ang aking kasagutan ay hindi mo By the way, I am Jace Altimita, 21, proud and loud to represent from Barangay Tulis dito, Tulis diri, kit ang CCTV, patay yung kap ilde, Barangay Pakigne!
Sa CR, babae o lalaki, usahay, tae. Maayong gabi, Minglanilla. This is Montasali, 24, loud and proud, honored to represent my beloved barangay, Kalahuan.
Festival ka, festival ka.
This is Jackie Necesario, 21, from the home of Jairus Back, ug asa ang baluarte ni Gulyas, ang tagay alas 12 na kutob, kay si Kapsara magwang-wang-wang-wang! Tungha! Di ko inisip.
Daghan na kay payo sa kalibutan, 14 pa inagiay na kinilakwan, di payo ang ama, di payo ang ginag-ama, di ka tigalan, kalimutan yun! Maayong gabi, Minglanilla! Hi, I'm Marty, and I'm a good girl. Once again, this is Mikay Bautista, LMC Kadol, Kadol Dito, Kadol Dere, Barangay Kadolawan! Hi, I'm
Marty. This is Marty after using Kaguya soap by Rosmar. Maayong gabi, Ming Glanilla. This is Tiffany Rose, 25, representing Barangay Hidarawa!
Maayong gabi, Ming Glanilla. This is Johnny Mercado, 23, representing Asang Lugar, Kalapakog Tiil, Dagog Tiil, Bahog Tiil, Barangay Tungkil.
Maayong gabi, Ming Glanilla. This is Beckham Baina Sinan, the long-lost daughter of Mayor Rajiv Inat and Leslie Abelia Inat. I am 18 years old and proud and loud to represent. Kundi inahay disco, buto, patay, barangay Tulan!
Discovered by Ferdinand Magellan in 1521, it was truly a discovery, and to open the eyes of the world with what we did not expect to see.
Emi lang, doon ko voice over kurong gabi una. Kandidata manday si Oka. Maayong gabi, Ming Glanilla. This is Casey Wellington, 17, and I am inspired by the saying goes, walay guwapa o batignaw, kung tanan suga, pao. With pride and honor to represent, kundi hindi mo makita, nagpuyo si Joko. Steve Abba tayo, poblasyon, what's up? This portion is brought to you by Lucky Me. Kung sa inyong tanaw, dakong nagtutoy, Lucky Me! Kung inyong pananaw, taas ni Kuhu, Lucky Me! Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan, Ming Glanilla. My name is Monique Bartola, 27 years old, proudly representing Poblacion!
Lumalagyan, ito ang bago. Ako ang Paul, sige ka video sa kiniyan. Thank you. Tonight, we celebrate beauty, diversity, and festivity, and promoting gender equality and humanity. This is Zoe Labrador Salas, 21, proud and honored and dignified to represent kung asa nagsugod ang baha, barangay.
Ano ka, Day? Apokalipto, matingaling tuyot, pageant maniday. Oh. Kinsa man ang upo di Day? Kita kay nako ba? Prakingani dyan o? Aday. Hi, darling. Lakong ba na dito? Love you. Para di mo, Jud ni darling. 4 years na mi. Sa letra natin! Ilay ang ako, lungkot, kay gimingaw na ko, ni mo, nalagyan sa puto. Agay, lain man. Representing SK Federation and ABC!